Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here enable QR code feature. So now you can just scan QR codes with your camera. So let's try to scan this one. So as you can see, it shows me suggestion, QR code recognized, tap to jump. Wait, let's try once again. Can I jump? Here it will be shown as the last notification. Please zoom in QR code. So you just tap on it and you can open this web page which has been encoded to this QR code. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.